Hello my friend, I hope that you are well. How to create an animation for box outline, like this, for example, like this. Now I click, do you see the first one? I will talk about the step 1. When I finish, I jump to the step 2. And when I finish, I jump to the step 3. I finish, I close. How to do this? Let's create a new slide. And now I will copy all this one, but of course I will delete the animation. So let's remove all the animation. Top animation pan. Good. Oops, where is that? No problem. Let's create our just the text. Copy just the text. Now I will add the shape for each one of them. Insert shape. Something like this. I will make the shape fill no fill, and I will maybe put it like this, no problem. And I will change the outline, for example, to the red if you want, or purple. So I will add the weight to 3. Good. I will make the same thing for the other shape and for this one. What is the next step? It is to add the animation. It is the purpose of this slide. Which animation you will use here? So click in the shape and go to the animation. Open all the animation. Click in the more entrance effect, this one, and try to use which one is good for you. Circle, dissolve, begin. No, this one is not good. Strip. Yeah, strip is good. Or wedge. Wedge is very good. That's what I use here for the outline. So I will use wedge. And now, what is very important here? I will create the same animation for the other. So, animation pan. Where is it? Animation painter. And I put it here. Good. But, before to continue, if I make, you see my presentation. Don't worry about the third. I don't use it for this moment. So let's do the first one. I click. I talk about the first one, and when I finish, I am displaying the step 2, but the outline or the shape in step 1, I don't want to display it. When I click or when I jump to the step 2, I want the outline of the step 1 will disappear. Okay, so here I must add another animation to the step 1 when I start the step 2. How to do this? In the step 1, click here and choose add animation, not from here. Not from here. If you right click from here, you will lose your previous animation. So click here, added animation. Okay? And you will add it here if you want to disappear. So I go to the exit pan, click the more exit effect. And I think I will use the same animation, I mean wedge. Here is what I want. Good. Okay, now I have my 2 animation. If I let it like this, I make it with previews. After I change, if I have problem, what I have here, step 1, and now when I talk to the step 2, it disappear in the same time that the first second appear. So what I will do here, I will add a delay between them. So the first thing is I put this one here, and I put it with click, on click, and this one will be with previews. But now for this one, I can reduce the duration to be disappear very quick. For example, something like this, 1 second. And this one, it will not appear directly after this one disappear. I mean in the same time. I don't want this. I will add the duration, so I will just move this one from here, like this, after 1 second. Now, when I start my presentation, look. Step 1, I talk about the step 1. What is step 1? Da, 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 da. When I jump to the step 2, now I will talk the step 2. Here, look here, the step 1 disappear and the step 2 after this appear. Okay, here is the concept, how to use this animation here. So let's continue with this animation for the rest of the the steps. So let's take this one, animation printer, step 2. Good, but I will just order them. So here is 2, and this one with previews I said. I will again from here, and this one okay. So let's add the animation printer to this one to finish our slide. Now let's take this. Yeah, it's good. Now let's see. I talked about step 1. When you finish, you have, of course, you have another text. It is just to show you how to make the animation for the outline. It is the purpose. Step 2. When I finish, I'll go to step 3. And now when I close, I am finishing this slide. I hope that you have understand how to animate the outline and choose the best animation for this. Practice, always practice. If you have any other animation for any other shape, show us in the comment. Well, of course, upload your PowerPoint in the desired hosting file, and we download it and we share it in video about this. Take care of us, subscribe to my channel, Faisal Azib. Follow me on Instagram, teams.winners, and Faisal.Chico, Telegram, Blin Practice and Share. Tell you goodbye. Wassalamu alaikum wa barakatuh.